Have you ever wondered how AI tools could finish your code before you even think about? You start typing a function and all of a sudden it just shows you the completed function for you like magic. It's not guessing, but it's also not thinking. The model is trained on billion lines of code that it could use as reference. And based on your question, it tries to guess the most appropriate response to give you. The way it does this is through using transformer models. Think of it as supercharged autocomplete. It breaks your code into small pieces called tokens. Then based on a scoring, it tries to predict what is the most likely thing that should come next. The more context you give it, the better predictions it could have. That's why a lot of folks say AI has problems with hallucination, because that is true. It doesn't actually know what it's doing. It just tries to predict the most likely thing that you asked for, and sometimes it gets it wrong. So you're probably wondering, why does this matter? Well, it matters because you should think of these as tools and not magic, not something that replaces you. I like to think of AI as my rubber ducky, something that I could chat about something I'm building, or something that allows me to try things out quickly. Although you may think it may allow you to code 25 to 30% faster because it helps you to complete functions, but you still need to receive those suggestions, take a look at the code, and make sure that it fits within your project or that it's even correct. Because it is trained on all the code that's publicly available on GitHub. You're not only getting the good code, but you might also get some bad patterns as well. So at the end of the day, it's just a tool. But all the due diligence, making sure that you're writing the best code, regardless if AI helped you or not, comes on you. So the better software engineer you are, and the more you understand how things work behind the scene, and you're able to troubleshoot, review code, the better and faster you will get things done. So no, AI is not magic, and no, AI is not going to replace you, but it will allow you to be more productive and build things faster. But at the end of the day, it's only going to be as good as you are as a software engineer. Because if it writes the code that you don't understand and you ship it anyway, it might open you up to some security risk or other things, or when things break, you might not be able to troubleshoot why it breaks. There's many reasons why I love AI, but there's many reasons why I try to reserve and say that it's the most amazing thing ever. And I'll cover that in other videos. But for now, if you liked what I do here and you like these daily tips, don't forget to subscribe, or better yet, share this with some of your friends to spread the love.